Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today there's Card Thursday, and we're going to do a quick and easy note card. And what we're going to need is, I'm going to be using Teeny Tiny Wishes, I'm going to be using Lemon Lime Twist, and I'm going to be using the Whisper White note cards. Oh, excuse me. And I'm going to be using the Designer Series paper, Fresh Florals. And what I do is I do a 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 by 3 1/4, and then I cut on the diagonal so you can get two pieces, two cards out of this. Also glue dots, and that's it. Oh, and the lemon lime ombre ribbon, a piece of that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've already cut this, and now you can use either side of this, and you can put it either way if you want to put it this way, or if you want to put it like this, or whatever way you want. I'm going to stick this side out because I haven't used this side yet. And I'm just going to glue it down. These are quick and easy cards you can do for whatever. If you want a bunch of cards laying around, or you want to give them as gifts. And then I'm just going to pick out, hardest thing is picking out my sentiments. So let's go with, I'm thinking of you. I've got a couple people I need to send cards to. Friend to friend, happy birthday, handmade, thank you, thinking of you. And then I am just going to, get that out of the way, just going to put that down. I'm going to tie my rabbit ear bow. Get that how I like it. Since it's a note card, I don't want it too big. Just chop those off. Put a couple pieces, put a couple Stampin' Dimension or glue dots on it. And there you go. There's Card Thursday and Mary's Stamping Happenings. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.